Okay, now let's go to our last example in this video. Now the last example, we try to convert meter per minute into kilometer per second. Let's start. You have 234,000 meter per minute multiply by, now again, see meters up here, you put meter down here, and of course kilometer will be up here. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. After that, we try to simplify minute, and of course see minutes down here, you put minute up here, and then second down. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now let's do the cross simplify. You have meter, simplify with meter, and you have minute, simplify with minute. Now you have kilometer and second, which is what we want here, kilometer per second. Now let's multiply the number up here. So you have 234,000 multiplied by 1 and also by 1, so equivalent to the same number, 234,000 kilometer over, so you have 1,000 multiplied by 60, so you will have 60,000 second. Let's convert to the unit that we want. So 234,000 divided by 60,000. So let's divide 234,000. We divide this by 60,000 equal to 3.9 kilometer per second. So our answer is 3.9 kilometer per second. Okay, that is all for the lesson about convert between unit rate. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.